Hey, mais tu ne pas que des kilos, babe! Hey, tu fais tellement! Tu fais tellement! Hey! Hey! Attention, t'es la maison, Yesha!
I'm Cole Hudson with Trucks Gone Wild. I'm here at Louisiana Mudfest in Colfax, Louisiana. We're here to document all the fun that's being had this weekend. I want to see every truck, every crew, every group of people that's traveled far and wide to be here this weekend. Because my goal is to show the entire world how much fun gets had at events just like this. This is what we call a mud bug. It's not dissimilar from a mud cricket, but it's in the same family. It's just not quite the aphrodisiac that a cricket is.
Well, the mud bug has his arms spread open, and a mud cricket.
Legs, the legs. It's all in the legs. See how his legs are closing? That's a key indication that this is a mud bug. Scientific, that's what we're doing at Trucks Gone Wild. I saw him on the sidelines. He was waiting to see King of the Pit just hanging out. Figured he'd
Can we do a throwback of crawfish earrings?
Years ago, Dirty Mike, I was just going to bring that up. That's why Dirty Mike's pretty good. That's why we keep
He
him
keeps
around.
the memory. He's
So
like the
years
filing
ago-
cabinet for
Years
Trucks
ago,
Gone Wild.
Cole, it was, I think it was Chasing Paper Pete, myself, and Dirty Mike might remember if it was somebody else. We were wearing these things as earrings. If you put them up there and you let them grab your ear, and you can wear them. And I have video, I'm not lying.
I feel like this dude has some strength in them claws.
No, the ones we were doing were twice that size, dude.
Oh, yeah?
Way bigger, yeah.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
I am awesome! Wonderful!
I want to know your name and where you're from.
I am Dana Washington. I am originally from Louisiana, but I live in Houston, so I've traveled.
Houston?
Yes! Houston,
Traveling
Texas.
girl. So what
Traveling
brought you
for
to
this.
Louisiana Mudfest?
I'm ready to get muddy.
Ready to get muddy, have a good
I
time?
am ready to have an awesome time. We're gonna do the damn thing.
What you got in that cup?
A little Crown and Coke.
Ain't nobody complaining about that.
No complaints.
Having a good time. So
Yes.
we're out here, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to document how good a time we have at events like this. Because I want the entire world to know how much fun we have at these events.
I'm only here because I heard it is the best.
It's the best time
It is
ever.
the best.
Hey, watch this.
Hands down.
Louisiana Mudfest, baby. That's how we do it.
Yes. Woo!
Down the road. Sir, how do you feel about Louisiana Mudfest? They've been drinking lean all day, if you haven't told.
I'm coming from Brazil, man.
He came up from Brazil.
I'm coming from Brazil for Mudfest, bro.
We have a great time over here. We came from Brazil for the Mudfest.
How long of a drive was it from Brazil?
With the driver?
Yeah.
No, we have to take a flight 9
Oh,
hours.
y'all flew here?
He doesn't speak English.
He doesn't speak English.
I speak English. You speak Portuguese?
If you want me to.
Yes, I want to.
Uno, dos, tres.
What?
Burrito.
No, that's Spanish.
Oh,
You speak Portuguese?
Portugal.
No, not Portugal. From Brazil.
Brazil. I saw Fast 5.
Caminhonetas virando doidas!
What she said?
She said in Spanish.
Oh,
Caminhonetas virando doida!
that means trucks gone wild in Portuguese.
Will Nivens, this is my wife Eli, this is my 74 Chevrolet, and we're here to watch Bodacious.
Bodacious.
Bodacious all day.
Look at this. So that's a Colorado on some 5 tons, 2.5 tons. Do y'all think he's gonna put on the show?
Yes, sir. He will. He
So
always
you think
does.
he's gonna be the best? Y'all voting for Bodacious?
No, 500 on Bodacious.
500 on Bodacious.
He got the title, good.
He got the title.
He got the
He's got it.
He's got it. Now, what do you think about all these guys from up north coming down here gonna steal the title?
Nah, them Yankees, come on, man. Y'all got rock up there. Y'all motherfuckers don't know.
Up north.
From where?
From From up north.
Where's that?
Where? I don't know.
If you're north of I-40, don't even come down here.
I like that. I've never heard that analogy. If you're north of I-40, don't even come around. You don't want none. The tension in the air is so thick you could cut it with a knife. All these drivers are absolutely positive they came here with what it takes to get king of the pit. We're gonna see if we can rile some people up. Sir, who do you think is gonna win king of the pit?
Me.
You?
Adam Wimple.
Adam Wimple. All right, so there's a lot of smack talk going on in the truck community. What do you got to say about all this smack talk going on? We've interviewed a lot of people, and a lot of people are rooting for you this weekend.
Yeah, man, my name is Andrew Wimple, and I'm out here just having a good time. And hey, Tony, you know who Cole Hudson is?
Cole Hudson who?
Right. Yeah, right.
It's on the microphone. My name's on the microphone.
We're just kidding. We're here to have a good time. We're going to spank these boys this year.
Show them how it's done. I like that. Friendly competition. Everybody's here to watch everybody else compete. It's all in good fun.
I always say everybody's here to watch me lose. That's the best way to do it.
Hey, with that logic, you're never disappointed. I like that.
It's 2:59 p.m. The action starts at 3. Adam Wemple's got this whole thing under control. It's in the palm of his hand. 13 trucks, they're all lined up like right over there. This is going to be badass. This is one of the nastiest pits anywhere in the country, all kidding aside. And there's 13 badass trucks ready to tear it up and see who is going to be the king of the pit.
How do you feel about Trucks Gone Wild, Louisiana Mudfest? You brought your truck. What kind of truck is it? A Chevrolet? It's a Chevrolet. Is it a big block or a small block?
Big block.
It's a big block. Now, is it big cubic inches or do you got a blower on it? Big cubic inches, NA 632. He's got the dump bed on it. He's all about horsepower and functionality. He can win a race on Saturday and go to work on Monday. My man is all about it.
Up on the back wheels and the front wheels and the two wheels and the other two wheels.
That thing was all over the place.
You stood it on one wheel, Terry.
That's what
I don't know how you did that.
That's the man.
You stood up on no wheels.
How do you feel about your performance today?
It sucked.
So the microphone's not plugged in.
Because my wife wasn't driving. If she'd have been driving, now really, I think I whipped all of them's ass. You don't know the truth about it.
I think you did too.
I come out under my own power. They all had to get pulled out.
Mudfest, King of the Pit, Adam Wemple, dude. This is kind of, you got thrust into this and had to run the whole thing today.
Yeah,
nice job. It was fun.
Yeah, this year I decided to take charge and actually organize it because I care about the drivers, and we told them all, you take as much time as you need. There's a lot of time spent down here. You go when you're ready, and they did a great job.
Dude, 13 guys showed up $100 a piece.
Yep.
The park put in another $1,500 bucks, right?
Xavier Penna kicked in another 500. So really, really, really cool dude.
So what? That's 3,300 bucks, something
17
like that.
from the drivers, 15 from the park, so 32 overall.
Yeah, dude. Plus these badass trophies, dude, looking good, right? Who made these?
Randy Palmer.
Damn right.
Yes.
You know that guy.
I really got to thank him because a lot of guys lost interest here. And they needed somebody to kind of take the lead. And Randy really, he's like, I'm down if you're going to run it. So,
all right, so Andrew. So Andrew's won this thing, what, 2 out of the last 3 times?
Yeah, man.
Andrew, you were one of the odds-on favorites today, dude.
Yeah,
You
man.
tore it up. It was a great show. It ended up, when all the judges' numbers were added up, you took 2nd place.
This is where I step out, so at least let me have my fun.
So you got 3rd, right?
Well, Money got 1st,
Yeah, all right.
but you got 2nd.
Yeah,
And
you
I'm
hold
gonna
on to
step
that.
out now.
Well, all right, you hold on to that. Cool. All right, I'll put that in my pocket. Hey, dude, congratulations. And have a good time out there.
Oh, I had a blast, man.
So what happened? I know it didn't go as long as you wanted to.
I lost oil pressure and had to shut her down.
Yeah. But it was all good up until it
All
wasn't.
good until it wasn't.
Okay. Hey, so historically speaking, did you ever change the name of the pit before? That was one of the prizes out here. If you win, you get to name the pit for the year.
Yep, I had it. So it was named Bodacious Pit for 2 years.
Okay, cool. And you've got what? You've got 3 or 4 of these now.
Yes, sir. So this makes number 4. Yeah.
Nice job. All right, brother. Congratulations, man.
Thanks, man.
You got it, dude. Cheers. Come on in, brother. This is the winning truck, King of the Pit. My man, it's been a long time since you and I have done an interview together.
Yeah, man.
A couple years since down in Florida. Now we're together here in Louisiana.
Yeah.
And dude, I get to give you this, dude, because you're the King of the Pit, dude.
Absolutely.
Badass truck. How was it today looking on?
Awesome, you know what I mean?
You had like the pilot driver in there. Right?
Yeah. That's autopilot.
So do you like it more to sit on the side and kind of watch it, or to be in it, or what do you like better?
I like it both.
Yeah? Well, I mean, either way, it's working.
I like the top and the bottom.
Can't argue with that.
You know what I mean?
You like getting handed a big thing of cash?
Who doesn't?
Dude, there you go.
Absolutely.
Adam said that's like $3,200 or $3,300 or something like that.
That's real.
That's a nice day.
Buy some gas, you know what I mean?
Yeah, you probably spent about that to get here.
You know what I mean?
Y'all's trip.
Yeah.
And you get this too. It's heavy. So, but it's all good. Hey, dude, you get to name the pit out here. That's part of the deal. So you're the king of the pit for the whole year, right? And you get to name the mud pit. You want to name it now, or
Dirt
you want
Boss
to think
Pit.
about it? Dirt Boss Pit? For the next year, it is the Dirt Boss Pit.
Absolutely.
And until next year, and somebody else comes back to win, it will be called the Dirt Boss Pit.
Absolutely. We'll be back for Dirt Boss 2.
And you are the king of the pit, brother.
Absolutely.
Nice job, dude. Always a pleasure to see you.
Sure.